everybody, welcome back to Beauty Bee and welcome to my Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie unboxing for the month of July 2022. Now, I did not intend to do this as an overhead video, but my face is currently peeling off. So that's fun and exciting, and trust me, you either don't want to see it or I don't want to show you. Depends on the individual. But anyone who would really want to see where my face is at right now, don't really want to show them. So I thought that because this is the second time I have received this box, that I would first go over what I got in my previous box. Now, I skipped the month of June, which was like a backyard barbecue kind of theme. And I did get the May box. It was super easy to skip a month, just so you know. But I've had a chance to play around quite a bit with all of the things that I received in that box, and I thought we would go over them really quick today. Now, if we're working from the thing that I was least impressed by to the thing that I was most impressed by, we would need to start with this lip gloss. This is a fine lip gloss. It is in the shade Thunderbolt. It is a very, very sheer yellow with some golden sparkle in it. And I kind of thought that I was going to be done with this in like 3 uses. That hasn't happened, which is great. I have no problem with this lip gloss. It's a totally fine lip gloss. It has a little bit of a plumping effect. I don't know that I actually see the plumping, but I can feel the attempt at plumping. It's not painful, but it's there. I like this. It's nice. And I mean, this is the thing that I'm least impressed by, so there are some real hits here. Next up would be this blue eyeshadow. This is the shade Blizzard. This is a duochrome. It has a blue with a little bit of a pinky purple shift to it. This is a good eyeshadow. I find that to get full opacity, you need to put it over glitter glue, and it's not a shade that I honestly wear super, super often, but I do like it. It is somewhat unique to my collection, and I think it's really, really pretty. If we move a step up, we are going to talk about this gorgeous teal glitter holographic nail polish. This is the shade Bubble Beam. This is a 5mm size, so this is about a third, half to a third, depending on the brand, of a full-size nail polish, and I've used about a third of it. I love this. I think this is such a stunning color. I've worn it by itself, which I wouldn't recommend just because you use so much of it to get a full opaque manicure. I went in with 3 pretty thick coats to do that. I've also worn it over some greens, some blues, a black, and that way I love it. It's some versatility here because there is just a hint of sheerness to this polish. So if you put it over a black versus if you put it over, say, a bright green, it does look a little bit different. This looks more bright green. If you put it over the green, it looks a little bit more amped up, holographic, and deeper if you put it over a black. It's really cool. I love this. I would definitely be interested in purchasing others of this glitter formula going forward. And I liked that one so much, but it's still not my favorite thing. That would be this highlight. This is the only thing in that box that I did not get to choose myself, but it's absolutely my favorite. This is their pressed highlighter in shade 151. It is this cool toned pink. I wear this as a blush topper. I'll often mix it with a white highlighter and sort of cup the apple of my cheek with it. It is stunning. It's smooth. It's not glittery at all. I love this. I think this is a super flattering color and a super unique color. I'm in love. I have had this for, well, probably right about 2 months, and I think I've worn it like 15 times. I'm so pleased with this. And now that I have gone through what I got last time, let's get into this month's products. They come in this little bubble mailer. I'm going to slice it open and we will see what we have. All right. Okay, so I really like this cellophane piece. It's very crinkly, but it's cool. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I don't feel like I can get rid of it. So let's open this thing up and see what we have. We'll need the scissors again. This is taped pretty tight. I think we'll start with the nail polish. This is a multi-chrome. I'm excited for this. I've never had a multi-chrome before, and what I am seeing in the bottle, and I don't know if you're seeing the exact same thing. I don't have that good of a view of my viewfinder. I'm seeing sort of a purple base along the side, and then on the very edges, I see this green-yellow shift. It looks like it shifts a little bit pink as well. I am really excited to give this a go. I think this will be super, super fun. I don't have any multi-chromes. I think I already said that, but oh man. I'm really excited for this. Oh, and I didn't say the shade. This is Everything I've Done for You. So here it is over a deep purple base. I think it's pretty. Not quite as shifty as I thought it would be based on what I saw in the bottle, but very, very pretty. The theme of this month is Labyrinth. Now, I know that David Bowie is in Labyrinth, but I really know very little else about the film, so the references are lost on me. Also, I just dropped this. This is a liquid lipstick. I thought this was really interesting. I picked the nail polish and the liquid lipstick as well as the eyeshadow. The fourth item in this is a mystery to me as of yet. Well, this is the shade Through Dangers Untold, and it is a blue. Now, my lips are actually peeling even more than the rest of my face right now, so we definitely are not trying this on. But I thought that this might be fun to try. It's such a different shade to my collection. I definitely don't own anything like this. And I additionally thought that this might be kind of fun to mix with other liquid lipsticks to adjust them to be just a little bit more cool toned. I don't know if that'll work, but you know, that doesn't feel super dry. So I have hopes. It's also not super matte and didn't really set down. It transferred a little bit. I don't know. We will see. I'll play around with it. And the next time I get this box, assuming that I will check back and let you know how it worked out for me. Next we have the eyeshadow. Ooh, this is pretty. This is Should You Need Us. Comes pretty well wrapped, I think. I like this wrapping. And this is like a coppery pink. It's very cool. Has a beautiful sheen to it. Feels a little bit wet to the touch. That was weird. It was almost like it bunched up on my finger, but then it applied really nicely. So that's pretty. I kind of thought it would be more pink, but it's really pulling more copper on me. Although I just pressed my finger down in a different spot, and now I'm seeing more pink in person. So I'm interested to see how this will show up on the eyes. It looks pretty though. I'm excited. And then the last item in here looks to be maybe a loose glitter. This is a glitter remix sample of Goblin King. Do I trust myself to open this? Ooh. Now this I am not sold on. I really don't know how I'm supposed to use this. This is a purple-based glitter. But there's also larger, what look to be hex glitters in there. It's definitely not something you should use on your eyes. I don't know. I could see myself potentially using this in nail art, but that's really the only way I think I would use this. Maybe I could put it on my face, not around the eye area for a video, but that would be it for me. Okay, so I'm really excited about the three items that I actually picked, which would be the eyeshadow, the liquid lipstick, and the mini nail polish. I'm sure you could tell, not exactly sold on the loose glitter, but you know, I will let you know how all of these work out for me in the next video. I would love to hear if you have tried the Copacetic Cosmetics boxes, what you think of them, and what you chose for this month if you do receive it. Also, I, as well as everyone else who has a Copacetic Cosmetics account, have some kind of referral link. I will put that down below if you're interested. No pressure whatsoever. It really does not matter to me, but it's there if you're interested. So, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. I would love to see you around here again. Hopefully when I can actually, you know, put makeup on my face. And yeah, I hope you all are having a better day than I am. See you next time. Bye.